Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for coming back. Long time no see. Okay, so today I'm just showing you guys how I braided my daughter's hair. This is by no means a tutorial, but just giving you an idea of a tribal braid for kids that you can do that's fairly quick. I feel like it took forever because I'm really not used to doing feed-in braids, but I'm gonna try to start back, braiding here and there. So just showing you guys and taking you guys along the journey as we braid her hair. So here is the hair that I used. I only used one pack. I thought I was gonna need a lot more, so I actually bought four. And as you can see, I'm using the argan oil edge control. I always braid with edge control. I just feel like the braids look more sleek and tamed so that you don't have flyaways. Look at her. She won't even hold her hair right, y'all. This is why I hate doing hair. Hers too. But yeah, we're going to get it together. So if you don't know how to do feed-in braids, but you know how to braid, it's fairly easy, excuse me, to learn, because all you're doing is really just adding hair in, just like you do in the very front when you do regular braids with extensions. So all you do is continually just add pieces and add pieces. I think getting the hang of it, the main thing is using smaller pieces when you first start, and then gradually making the pieces of hair bigger that you're adding in. But one of the mistakes that I made was making them too big. So I know for next time, because this is kind of like my second time doing these braids. So yeah. But as you can see, this is what it looks like with a good like four done in the back. I'm not going to show y'all everything that I did because it's just going to be completely repetitive. And my child is so impatient, so I really didn't focus on parting and make it like super perfect parting. I'm just like trying to get her hair braided. Like, I'm not trying to like, be super perfect with her hair, but it still comes out and looks nice. And sorry that I'm blocking the view of the camera, sort of. Yeah, so basically here I'm just showing you guys how I'm feeding the hair in. Sometimes I do a couple stitches and then add, and then sometimes I find myself doing one stitch and add, one stitch and add. But I guess I got to kind of figure out which one I'm going to do so they can all look pretty uniform, which they still did. But I mean, I feel like that'll make it look even better if you have a technique as far as how many stitches you do. So this is what the back looks like, all done. She's tired of sitting, I'm tired of braiding. So yeah, this is where I stopped recording, and this is actually the finished look. I did 2 rows and I connected her front braids, as you can see, put a little accessories and cord on there, and that's what the front looks like, and nothing too special. But this is what it's looking like. Of course, she loved it. She likes the little decoration we added to it. Very cute. And I have to get her one of the little hair bead things that goes on the front of the braids. And that is all for now. I hope you guys liked it. If you want more little style videos, leave it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye.